How to access camera in Cash Express. Cash Express is a financial service provider that offers short-term loans like payday and title loans, along with services such as check cashing, money transfers, and bill payments. They help people without needing a traditional bank account. First, download Cash Express application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then, to initiate the loan application, enter your mobile number and await the prompt to verify your identity. Once the verification code is sent, enter it to proceed with the application. After mobile verification, the next step involves providing essential personal information. This includes entering your first name, middle name, last name, and gender. Enter these additional details for your personal loan online application. For document upload, you should provide the camera access to the browser to make photo. There is no possibility to upload the document from gallery. Then click on Continue. That's it. Thanks for watching.